fam, what's good? It's good. I hope that you're well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing day. Welcome back to another one. You know what? Let's see what we can find ourselves doing on this beautiful pair called the Nasdaq, right? What does the New York Stock Exchange have in store for us, right? Guys, if you're looking for a trusted and regulated brokerage, XM will be your brokerage. The link will be in my description. You know, as I mentioned about the Patreon page as well, the link is in my description. I found myself uploading 2 extra contents on it, so find yourself watching it, you know what, and give me feedback upon it. I will highly appreciate it. Okay, so on this beautiful pair called the Nasdaq, you know what, I could have found myself going short when we find ourselves tapping inside this beautiful volume imbalance right over here, as you guys can see right there, right? But unfortunately I missed that actual opportunity right there, but nothing to stress about. I'll just wait for the next opportunity to find itself opening up for me, right? If there's no opportunity that's going to find itself opening up, I won't find myself executing anything on this pair called the Nasdaq, right? As I don't want to find myself chasing any trades. Okay, so we still have quite a long way to go. We still do have a long way to go, right? If I can maybe go down to a lower time frame, you can see that we do have some relatively equal lows right there. So I would like to see price have some sort of an actual push towards the downside. That is basically what I am anticipating on this beautiful pair, right? But for now, I just want to see price opening up something for me to be like, okay, Diego, now you can find yourself looking for some beautiful short opportunity. Because alright fam, was good. So I just found myself, you know what, getting my actual entry, right, or a potential entry. First I need to find myself just waiting just a little bit to see whether I'm gonna find myself going short from this area, yes or no, right? So I'm just waiting around about 4 minutes for this candle to close, so with it tap, and then I'm gonna find myself shorting price on this beautiful pair called the Nasdaq, right? I can find myself waiting for price to first come back inside this region over here, right, this volume imbalance, but you know what, it's fine, it's perfectly fine. All right, so we do have around about you know what, 14 seconds left for this 5-minute candle to close. So if we're gonna find ourselves closing bear, then I'm just gonna find myself entering price right from that region right there, still keeping the same risk as my actual stop says above this region right there, right? So I'm gonna find myself going short. I'm short, right? I'm in my shorts, I'm in it. So now all we need to find ourselves doing is literally just wait out price. We can just do that. Let's wait out price. Hey, my camera is almost about to die, but it's cool though, it's cool. Alright fam, so we found ourselves getting take profit smack once again, right? So I'm literally showing you guys an actual method, right? Look at this. I literally showed you guys that, you know what, this is gonna happen before the time. It's not like I'm coming here inside an actual trade and then showing you guys. No, I'm literally showing you guys the actual method, right? And showing you guys how it basically finds itself playing out. Now, yes, obviously not each and every single day will be an actual take profit day, right? That's not realistic. That is not realistic. But what I'm showing you guys is literally, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is an actual method which is working. This is the method which I will find myself sharing on the Patreon page as well. So if you would like to have access to it, the link will be in my description. Your support will be highly, highly appreciated, right? And I'm looking forward for the journey with you. It's me, your boy D. I'm gonna see you all in the next one. I'm out.